In 2012, Disney released a line of villain dolls depicting Ursula, the classically full-figured sea witch from The Little Mermaid, as a designer couture, size 0. From one rolling midsection, tameless will to another, my sweet Ursula. I cannot imagine the sick flip of your stomach to see your image dissected, chin shaved, waist clinched, your silhouette robbed of every ounce of delicious curve. To find after 2 decades of existence that your evil was more worthy of preservation than the iconic body that held you, you, big lady, were the only Disney character that ever looked like me. And while you may not have the waistline of a princess, I'll be goddamned if you don't have the swagger of a queen. The way you sashayed around your lair in full makeup, black flamenco, number cut so low in the back that every twist and shimmy displayed the gorgeous tuck of your rolls. You made back fat look fucking sexy. Yeah. You made living in this body a little less like a curse. I wonder how they told you. Did they sit you down over tea, delicately frosted cakes, lining your chipped porcelain? Explain it as a marketing technique, a vehicle to make it more palatable to a culture that demands perfection. I hope you crushed the fucking teapot in the clench of your fist. I hope you grew 1,000 feet tall and drowned them in a whirlpool of your rage. I wish I could have watched you suck the voices from their tiny, breakable throats. But I know you wept. I know you licked the icing from each and every cake. I know you broke like a slow burn. Wasn't it enough that they made you a witch? That they made you already beyond the bounds of their franchise royalty? They expected little girls to recoil from the wicked inside your laugh when instead they worshipped your honesty. Ursula, I don't want you cut down into bite-sized pieces. You weren't easy to swallow for a reason. I want you larger than life, flaming red black flamenco dress. I want the thick of your tentacles, the conjuring of your hands, the jiggle of your ample bust. I want you dressed to the nines on a runway. I want every little girl to see a heroine in the size 24. Yeah. Ursula, queen of the ocean. You were never just a witch to me. You were perfect. Every pound, every inch, every swell, perfect. And I pity the poor, unfortunate soul who would ever dare paint you as anything less. Yeah.